What is up, guys? It's your boy Rex here, and welcome back to the channel, guys. So today, guys, I have a special video for you guys. My friend Jay has been making a lot of money from dropshipping, guys. So today he's going to be sharing with you guys some of his methods I've been using to make money from dropshipping, guys. So I'm going to leave the link back to his channel in the description so that you can go and check out some of his videos, guys. So that's it, guys. All you have to do is watch the video step by step and take action on this method, and you can start making some money with dropshipping, guys. So that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey Millennium Minders, thank you so much to Sega for having me on his channel, and I'm super grateful to be here with you guys, and I'm also super excited to share with you this Twitter dropshipping model that I've been using for the last 2 months and how I generated $14,080 on my dropshipping store. You can see right here, this is my net sales this month using this method, and I'm also going to show you a tool that is going to filter Amazon and AliExpress by the most highest selling products and the best products to dropship at the moment. And the best part about this method, it doesn't require a large amount of work. It requires a couple of hours of upfront work on Twitter, and it can become passive from there. This works worldwide and in any country, and it works for anybody who's a beginner, whether you're an expert. So this can really apply to anybody, which is amazing. It's super easy to do and execute with the steps that I'm going to provide within this video, and it is also very scalable. Like when I started with this method, I didn't think that I would get to 5 figures with this, but I did, and I realized how scalable this was. And this is a great business model for beginners, and you also don't need any Twitter followers. You just need a Twitter account. It can have 0 followers, and this will work. And I'm also going to show you examples of people doing this. And at the end of this video, just as a thanks for you guys being here with me, I'm going to give you $197 sales page builder completely for free, as well as free hosting, free unlimited storage hosting, completely all for free. But stay with me until the end so you can learn how you can get that. But without further ado, enjoy the video and let's get straight into it. And the first thing that we need to do is we obviously need to find these products so that we can go viral on Twitter. And this is the tool that I'm going to show you guys, and it's really a fantastic tool that I've been using for a long time called Thieve.co. So what Thieve.co does is it provides the most highest selling, the best products to dropship. You can see it's very interesting and products that the general market would be interested in, and they basically filter AliExpress by these products and they provide them to you with or via the platform of Thieve.co, and you can literally connect this to your Shopify or your WooCommerce store. And you can see here there's products such as a minimalist wooden lampstand, a Mija blackout multi-tool, a geometric ceramic case, a walnut wood and brass Bluetooth speaker, a 360 iPhone camera, or a camera which is interesting products that people can use on a daily basis and that the market would really like. You can also see a wireless Bluetooth headphones for $28, marked down from $41, which is a really good price. I mean, this is something you could drop ship at like $49.99 and make 50% commissions. And I've actually already found a couple of products that I want to use already, and one that I think will really sell. And this is this one right here called a rechargeable hand warmer, currently at $7. So I mean, this is a product people maybe in the northern hemisphere, when it's really cold in winter, could use this. You can market this in the UK or the US via Facebook ads or any sort of advertising platform. And this is a product that I think you could sell at like $19.99. And this is a product that really sells a lot. It's a very popular product, a rechargeable hand warmer. So literally just keep your hands warm. But this is just one of many different products that you can use in this video. I'm going to show you how you can get this product to go viral on Twitter. So I'm going to head over to Twitter at twitter.com, and I'm actually going to show you a page that is already doing this, and that where people are actually really making a lot of money constructing this. So the page that I'm going to use is called Quotes. I know they are a very popular page that do this method. They currently have 4.7 million followers. And you can see here, here's actually a good example already. These two people here, Laura, Ashley, basically how this works is you can see Lara put a tweet. I still think that if my future BF got me an anklet with his initial, I would wear it 24/7. And she can see, you can see that she retweeted Ashley's tweet. I got an anklet with my honey's initial. And what these people are doing is these two tweets are actually two fake accounts that belong to the same person. So what Lara or Ashley will do is the fake account, this person will make a tweet with a fake account saying, oh, I bought this beautiful rechargeable hand warmer from here. And then they will include the link. You'll see they include the link to their store or their Shopify dropship store. And they will then create another fake account saying, oh, I think if my boyfriend got me this hand warmer with his initial on, or this hand warmer, I would use it 24/7, for example. That's just an example. And what they'll do is they'll make this tweet seem legitimate and organic, if you can say it like that. And by doing that, it automatically attracts a lot of people. They actually see, look, people are buying this product, it must be really good. And by this way of advertising or marketing, they're really generating a lot of sales. So then what this person will do is that has made these two fake accounts. They will come over to big Twitter accounts such as Quotes, such as College Student with 6.2 million followers, such as Puberty with 35k followers, and they will pay them $30, $40 for a shout out or a retweet with the link included in their tweet. So I mean, you can see by getting a shout out on a page with 4.7 million followers, the potential to get a lot of traffic to your store by posting or getting an organic tweet just like this one shouted out. The potential of your earnings is very high, and I think this is such an underrated model that not a lot of people know about. So this is really the ideal time to try something like this. I mean, you can get a basic picture like this off Google. So let's say in this example, we're using the hand warmer. We can literally type in rechargeable hand warmer, and you can find a ton of pictures on Google. For example, this one right here, a lady holding a hand warmer, or here, there's so many different pictures that you can use in a tweet, and all you got to do is include the link to your store in the retweet, and then basically make another account or a fake account and retweet that and say something like, oh, I think if my future boyfriend or my husband got me this beautiful necklace or ring, I would wear it 24/7, something that seems legitimate and organic. And you can see if I scroll down, there's another person here. Again, it's Laura and Deborah. You can see it's the same person. She says, this is so pretty, I'm in love, and the link to this necklace, and then want, need, love. And again, this got 99 hearts, 16 retweets, 32 retweets, with exposure to a network of 4.7 million followers, which is amazing. And they're probably paying about $30 to $40 plus minus to get a shout out on this page. And you can see if I come down more, there might be another one. Okay, it looks like it's just Quotes going on and on now. But you can sort of understand the idea, and you can do the same thing with that of College Students. So you can see College Students has more got to do with gadgets and technology. So if you're gonna promote something, for example, like this foldable Bluetooth keyboard, an idea or a great idea to come to, a page to come to, is College Student, because it's maybe aimed at more people like students that want technology, gadgets for their university maybe. So you can sort of get an idea of who to target, of who to pay for the shout out, and also you can use the example on Quotes here, just like this, on how to construct your fake accounts and retweet and construct your organic tweet just like this one. And what's really effective about this doesn't include any cold advertising like, hey, come and check out my product, sign up down below. This is organic, like saying, oh, I think if my boyfriend got me this would be really cool. Like it gets people thinking, yeah, like I actually agree, if I got this for my girlfriend or boyfriend, they'd really like this, and they'd go and buy it. It's organic. It's like a very comfortable way of marketing. It's very smooth, if I can say it like that, which I really like about this method. And that is why it's so profitable. And you can do this on Instagram as well. What you can do is you can make a tweet like this, screenshot it, and come over to Instagram, and you can come to pages like Puberty, for example. You can, there we go, Puberty. You can also do, you see they've got 60 million followers. You can also do maybe Memes IG. They've got also, I think, a whole bunch of followers. Okay, not this one. Okay, let's do Simple Pickup Lines. I know that's a popular page that does a lot of shout outs. You can see Simple Pickup Lines, 1.8 million. And you can pay them to basically shout out a screenshot of your retweet like this with a link in their bio, for example. And you are getting access to a network of like 1.8 million followers. And I've actually got a neat little overview on this. So how you can do this, the 4 steps that you need is just find viral and evergreen products that you can use. Thieve.co is the recommended tool that I use, that I recommend for this. And then build a fake social profile on Twitter. As you saw how the retweets work, make organic looking content, pretty much just like this. You can see this is organic, it's not cold advertising. And then you want to pay these big pages to retweet this post, whether it's on Twitter or Instagram. You can take a screenshot and you can pay them to retweet it. And what you can also do is, if you don't have your own dropshipping store, so let's say you've got your store on Shopify, you've signed up on Shopify and you've got your store and you've added this product to your Shopify store, you can come over to the Amazon affiliate program and you can sign up with your Amazon affiliate account and you can basically use the same product. So if I actually come over to the search bar and go hand or rechargeable hand warmer, you can actually see they've got similar products on the Amazon store that you can get your affiliate link to, and you can also then leave that affiliate link in your retweet, so you'll get a commission through the Amazon affiliate program. But the best way to make the most commissions is definitely via drop shipping. So creating your own store on Shopify. I've actually already got a Shopify account, so I'll quickly show you the dashboard. I'm going to log in quickly with my account. You can see on your dashboard you've got your products tab, and you can simply add a product over here, and you can add the product of a hand warmer that's rechargeable, and you can add your markup at like $19.99. And then for the giveaway, as promised, I'm going to give you $197 sales page builder for completely free. So if you follow with me quickly, I'm going to show you how to get this. What I want you to do is I want you to come over to my channel, and I've actually got a video where I've got the link to this download for this product. You can see here it's this one over here called How to Make $300 Per Day with WooCommerce. It's a 26-minute video on how you can build amazing sale pages, your own e-commerce system using this InstaBuilder sales page. It goes for $197. Usually I'm giving it to you completely free. You'll see here in the description I've got a link to this product, and at the moment I've marked it down to, or you can see it's currently at $5, but as of now I'm going to actually set this button to a download link, so it's going to download directly. You don't need to pay that $5. It's going to be completely free, and all I ask in return is subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and leave the notifications on that I can send you a message every time or every day that I upload an awesome video just like this one. But you can see right here, make sure to go get your download on how to get the software, and also make sure you watch this video here on how to install it and use it. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like on Sega's video right here. He's really doing such a good job on YouTube and with his Shopify dropshipping. Like, I'm really inspired. But as I say, leave a like down the video, comment down below, and make sure to get your copy of InstaBuilder. But until then, take care, and I'll see you guys soon.